Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview natural chemistry stain and scale control. What is natural chemistry stain and scale control? Stain and scale control protects spas from the damaging effects of scale buildup and staining due to excessive calcium, iron, copper, and other minerals. It works without the use of phosphates or harsh acids. Spa stain and scale also works to prevent scale from forming on salt generator cells to help maintain optimum performance. Product benefits: reduces calcium and mineral scale buildup, controls metal staining, phosphate and acid-free formula. Usage directions: initial treatment of fresh fill. Add 8 ounces, 237 milliliters, per 200 gallons, 757 liters, directly to spa water. Weekly maintenance: add 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, per 200 gallons, 757 liters, directly to spa water. If water hardness level is above 500 ppm, double the recommended dose. Dosage: initial treatment, 8 fluid ounces per 200 gallons of water. Routine maintenance, 1 fluid ounce per 200 gallons of water per week. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.